Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share videos with good, clear audio in Google Meet using your computer. A lot of people struggle with this. They try to play a video, but others in the meeting can't hear the sound properly, or it sounds really low or echoey. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your video look and sound perfect for everyone watching. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Once you're there, click New Meeting to start one, or join an existing meeting using a link. After you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a share icon. It looks like a little screen with an arrow pointing up. Click on it. You'll now see three main options: your entire screen, a window, and a tab. If the video you want to share is from a website like YouTube, Vimeo, or any other online player, the best option is a tab. Click on a tab, and you'll see all your open browser tabs. Select the one that has your video open. Before you click share, look at the bottom left corner of that window. You'll see a small checkbox that says Share Tab Audio. Make sure that box is checked. This is super important. It allows the sound from that tab to be shared directly through Google Meet, so everyone hears it clearly without background noise or echo. Once you've selected your tab and turned on Share Tab Audio, click Share. Now, switch over to the tab with your video and hit play. Everyone in your meeting will now see the video and hear the sound in high quality. Now, if your video is stored on your computer, for example, a file saved in your downloads or desktop, you'll need to share it a little differently. Click Share again, but this time choose your entire screen. When you do, make sure to check the box that says Share System Audio. Then click Share. Open your video player and start playing your video. This method sends both the picture and the sound from your computer directly into the meeting, so your audience will hear everything clearly. Pro tip: close any unnecessary tabs or apps before sharing to avoid lag. Pause notifications so no pop-ups appear while your video is playing. And if you're using Chrome, make sure it's up-to-date. Older versions sometimes cause audio sharing problems. When you're done presenting, just click Stop Sharing at the bottom of your screen. And that's it! That's how you share videos with good audio in Google Meet using your computer. It's super easy once you know which option to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, so you don't miss more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next one.